Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to India's most influential Digital Leaders Award presented by Agency Reporter. I am Anubha Pandey, your host for the event. We are super excited and happy to have you all with us today as we celebrate the pioneers shaping the future of digital landscape. Before we get started, please make yourselves comfortable and brace up for an inspiring afternoon. The moment that we all have been waiting for has arrived. Before we begin, let me talk about the India's most influential digital leaders award for a bit. This is a platform that honors exceptional leaders who have redefined digital excellence with their vision, innovation, and leadership. This prestigious list has been editorially curated to honor top leaders recognized for their extensive industry experience and impactful leadership. We extend our heartful we extend our heartfelt thanks to Frodo, our powered by sponsor, for their invaluable support in making this event possible. And I am honored to invite the founder of Agency Reporter, Rahul Puri, for the opening remarks to officially kickstart the event.
Thank you. Very warm welcome to everyone. Such lovely faces. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. It's an absolute honor to have you all here at India's most influential digital leaders 2024, a platform dedicated to recognize the visionaries who are shaping the digital landscape with their innovation, creativity, and impact. Before we begin, I have to say this one I added when I came here, but before we begin, I have to say I don't think I've ever seen so many people unwell on the day of the event. More than 10 people have fallen sick. Uh, can't help it. It seems like the changing weather is really taking a toll, but despite that, it's incredible to see all of you here bringing your energy and enthusiasm. Thank you so much once again. In today's dynamic world, true leaders don't just adapt, they inspire, push boundaries, and set new benchmarks. This evening, we celebrate those who have redefined the industry through their remarkable contributions. A big thank you to Frodo, our sponsor, for their invaluable support in bringing this event to life. Rushabh is there. Congratulations to all the exceptional leaders on this prestigious list. Your work continues to shape the industry, and we look forward to an evening filled with recognition, inspiration, and meaningful conversations. Let's celebrate digital leadership and the power of influence. And as everyone, all of you know, that right after India's most influential digital leaders, we have the Leadership Collective, which begins at 4:30 p.m. It's my humble request, do stay back for that event as well. Uh, it's an event where we have put together about 12, 13 industry leaders, CMOs, to discuss topics like open internet, open omnichannel, etc. Everything, something that concerns each and every one of you here. So look forward and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for the opening remarks. And the time has come that many of you must have been waiting for.